Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah Jane. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to do another cat vlog today. The boys were being super playful and goofy, and hope you enjoy. So I'm editing, and I think Tony's mom's bird has a death sentence because he came down here and crawled onto the wiring here, and someone is eagerly awaiting him to get up there, as well as this guy who is very interested, but the kids outside keep screaming, so he keeps going back and forth. It's okay. Oh God. At this point I feel like he's taunting them. Keeps going up and down. Beatty, go back to your cage. They're just so interested. It's been like 30 minutes and he hasn't moved at all. Nor him. He's gone back and forth a couple times, but he keeps going in the same spot. And I'm literally editing a video with them, so we got this fish for them. Oh, I think it's dead, but it shakes. Did you guys kill the battery already? You guys killed the battery already. We got the boys a gift. It's a fish that moves on its own. All they have to do is hit it a little bit. You like your fish, buddy? You just knocked it away from you. Now this is lazy playing. We had to make it easier on us, and he's just like, okay. He was using it to pet himself before because it moved back and forth.
He's just gonna stare at it.
He's chasing after you. No, that's a wire. Excuse me. That's a wire. You know better. You know better. What do you think you're doing, huh? Did you catch a fish? Attack it. Can I help you? Laziest cat ever, I swear. It's got catnip infusion too, so he's too lazy to move his arm over to grab it. Look what you did. You gonna try some apple, buddy? Maybe take a piece off with your nail. Just a man and his cat and his expensive toy. Telling you, lazy playing. What the hell? Gonna try a green apple? Huh? Welcome to our quiet-ish days off where we just play with our cats. We went on a about 2.5 mile hike, maybe longer. Took us like a while because we were enjoying the sights. Oh, hello. Those are my feet. I should do some yoga tonight. My back and everything is really killing me. Dude. Oh, there it is. That's my foot. You want your fish? You want your fish? That was the second time we had to charge this thing, and we just got it last night. So they do really enjoy it. I might ask Tony to maybe get the link to the purchased item, and we'll put it in the description below. We are not sponsored. If they want to send us more, apparently our cats would love it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.